Today, I'm going to show you how to create animated cartoon videos just like this one.
Hey Cotton, look at this beautiful butterfly. Let's chase it together.
Oh, Whiskers? You always find the most fun things to do. I love playing with you.
Kids absolutely love these cartoon videos because they are funny, educational, and super entertaining. But that's not all. Many creators on YouTube use videos like these to get millions of views and earn money. The best part is that everything you need to make this video, like the script, voiceover, and cartoon characters, can be easily generated using AI. So in this video, I'll show you the exact steps I followed to create this video, and you will be amazed by how simple it is. So without further ado, let's dive in. To create the kids learning animation video, we have to follow some steps. The first one is to write a script. If you already have a story or script, then it's great. But if you don't have the story, you can generate it with the AI. To do that, I will use an AI tool called GravityWrite. It's a brilliant AI writing tool. You can generate blog posts, image prompts, video scripts, ideas, and many more with this amazing tool. Today, I will use it to generate my animation video script. After logging into your account, select the Kids Video Script Generator tool from here. This tool is specially designed to create content for kids. After coming to this page, we have to enter some details about our story. First of all, the video topic. You can generate a story on any topic. For example, I am typing friendship. Next, select the theme of the video. I will select friendship from here. Next, we have to select the age of our audience. After that, we have to define our characters. You can mention the character names of numbers. Next, mention the content duration. For example, I am typing 2 minutes. In the end, you will the advanced option. This one is basically for the language. Here you can generate content in more than 40 languages. Okay, after everything is set, hit the Create Content button from here. And this is our script. You can notice characters description, background scenes, and entire video suggestions with the script. GravityWrite did a great job. Now copy the script and paste it into a doc file. Alright, our script is ready. Let's move forward to the next step. Now we have to generate voiceover for our characters. If you can record your own voice, then it's great. But I will use 11 Labs to generate the voiceover. After logging into the 11 Labs account, come to the text-to-speech generator page. Here we have to enter the text. Go back to the doc file and copy only the first character's first dialogue text. Paste it into the 11 Labs. After entering the text, we have to select a voice actor. Here you will find a vast number of voice actors. If you are unable to find a suitable voice actor, then click on Find More Voice from here. It will redirect you to the voice library. Now listen to different voice actors and then select the best one for your character. I will select this one. Once the voice actor is set, hit the Generate button.
Hey Cotton, look at this beautiful butterfly. Let's chase it together.
And our first voiceover is ready. Download the audio clip on your device. Next, we will generate audio for the next dialogue, which means the second character's first dialogue. This time, I will select this voice actor. After selecting the voice actor, download the audio clip on your device. In this method, generate voiceovers for all the scripts and then organize them in ascending order. It will help you later. Alright, our voiceovers are ready. Now move forward to the next step, cartoon character generation. And to do that, I will use Adobe Express's MP3 to animation generator. After coming to the Adobe Express page, click on the Create button here. If you are first time on Adobe Express, you may sign in. It's super easy, just sign in with your Google or Adobe account. This is animated from audio by Adobe Express. Here we can animate characters with audio. First of all, we need to select a character from here. You can select a character from so many categories, including food, creatures, humans, and others. According to the story, our first character is a cute cat. I will select this character. After selecting a character, come to the Background tab. Here you can select a custom background image, but I will use only green color as my background, because I will use an animated background later. After that, come to the Size tab. Now select YouTube from here and then select 16:9. Okay, after all of this, we have to record or upload our audio. As we already generated our audio clips, click on Browse from here to upload the audio. Now upload the first audio clips. Once the audio clip is uploaded, Adobe will create lip sync and animate the character. It will take around 1 minute to complete the process. After completing it, you can see a preview.
Hey Cotton, look at this beautiful butterfly. Let's chase it together.
That's really cool. Now click on the download button to save the animated video on your device. After that, click on the back button to go back. Now we have to create a video with a second dialogue. So I will select a cute rabbit character from here. After selecting the second character, click on Replace Audio from here and then hit Browse again to upload the second audio. Once the second animation video generation is completed, download the video. In this way, generate videos with all of the audio and download them on your device. Alright, in the next step, we will create backgrounds for our video. To do this, I will use Canva. After coming to Canva, select the video from here. After coming to the Creator page, come to the Element tab. Now search for graphics according to the scene. I think this one is best for my first scene. Now you can add various elements to the background to make it perfect. In this method, create as many as background you need. Once you are done, download all the background to your device. Alright, all of our backgrounds have been created. Now let's move forward to the final steps. As all of our assets are ready, now we have to compile them with a video editor. To do that, I will use the CapCut video editor. Import all the character videos and backgrounds to the CapCut video editor. Now insert the first background image to the timeline. After that, add the first character to timeline 2, just top of the background video. Now we have to remove the green screen to do that. Select a video clip and then come to the right side settings panel. Here you will find the background remover option. After coming to the background remover option, come to the chroma key option. Now select the background color and then adjust the value to remove the color perfectly. That's perfect. Now adjust the size according to the need. Okay, our first character is ready. Now we have to add the second character. But there is a catch. According to the story, when one character is talking, another character should listen only. But in these videos, both characters are talking. To solve this issue, come back to Adobe Express again and then select the second character. After that, remove the existing audio. Now we have to input a completely silenced audio clip. You can record also. Once it is done, generate a new video with silent audio and then download the video on your device. Once it is downloaded, import it to CapCut and then insert it on the top of the first character video. Remove the background and then adjust the size. I will flip it to make it perfect looking. Alright, now it's perfect. Next, we have to add the second character's dialogue. Insert it into the timeline and remove the green background. After that, adjust the size and try to keep it similar to the first scene. Now we have to add the first character as listening to the second character. So we have to generate a video of the first character with a silent audio clip like the previous one. After generating the video, insert it into the video editor and then remove the background and adjust the position. You can add some additional animation with the keyframe. I will talk about this in the future. Okay, now adjust the background. After completing the first scene, in the same way, create the other scenes. Once it's done, you can add music to make it more engaging. After all is set, hit the export button. It will take some time. And here it is, our final video is ready. Let's have a look.
Hey Cotton, look at this beautiful butterfly. Let's chase it together.
Oh, Whiskers, you always find the most fun things to do. I love playing with you.
Cotton, you make the best carrot sandwiches. Thanks for being such a great friend.
Aw, thanks, Whiskers. I'm so grateful for our friendship. We always have so much fun together.
Don't worry, little friend. We'll make sure you get back to your family safely.
Yes, we stick together and help each other out. That's what friends are for.
I think this is a good quality kids learning video. You can make it better by giving some extra effort. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating kids learning videos with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.